Hello everyone. Today is Tuesday, June 16, 2020, and what we're gonna do, I'm here with my daughters outside the patio, and we're gonna fix a water hose. So sometimes, what happened to us is we have a dog outside, and then he likes to chew on things, and he basically chew on our water hose. Let me show you. So yes, like I was telling you, we have a dog. These are my daughters, Genesis and Anna, and they're here to help me fix a water hose that Marshmallow, that's the name of our dog, chew on it. So every time we open the water hose, like, it spits a lot of water like in all directions. So we're gonna fix it, and they're here to help me. Ready, girls? Okay guys, so these are the things that you're gonna need. So you're gonna need a knife like this. Okay, make sure that you are being helped by somebody that can handle knives like this. You don't want to cut yourself. It's very dangerous. And also you're gonna use a screwdriver. Okay, so you're gonna use a screwdriver. And here's the water hose. Here's the water hose, you see? So this is what we're gonna do. Move on, Marshmallow. Move, Marshmallow. Move. This is what we're gonna do. So we're gonna do this, and I just hold it like here, right here. Hold it like that, and this is what we're gonna do very carefully. So you have to check where the holes are at, and then you're gonna cut right here like this. Oh, you had some water in there, so you make sure that you remove all the water. You just cut it nice and like that. And then you see the other part that's messed up, so I'm gonna cut it like this. Very simple process to fix a water hose. Just be really careful. You might want to use glove for this, so you can avoid cutting yourself. So the next step, close the knife. We're not gonna need it anymore. Oh, there's one more thing that we needed, but I forgot to bring it. Let me go grab it. So you're gonna need something like this. You can buy this at Home Depot, or you can buy it at a different hardware store. And basically you can find this. They're very cheap, probably like $2 to $5, depending on the type of fittings that you want. So previously we cut the hose in two different parts, so we can remove the damaged part of the hose like this. Okay, so you throw that one away, and this is what you're gonna do. So you have this right here, and basically you just insert. Oh, hold on, I forgot. Sorry guys. You put this fitting like this, and then just put one side of it like that. Okay, Hannah, you wanna help me? So you wanna start screwing that, yeah. So you wanna go like this.
I know.
Okay. Yeah. So this is a great lesson for your kids, so they can learn how to do like things themselves.
Hey, Mama, you buying me 2 toys?
Yeah, and then they asked me for 2 toys, so I need to buy them 2 toys.
Yes. Alright, let me tie them a little bit more. Hannah, you did a great job. Just tie really tight. And then you want to put the other side of the hose. Okay, don't forget to put this like I just did. And then just like that. Again. See? Make sure you try to go all the way in. So sometimes it's really hard, so you might need the help of someone that has strong hands. It's kind of slippery, so. Again, this part we can probably fix. You see? And now, you can go like this. Alright, I'll tie the other end. Come on. Tight, we go. Yeah. That's amazing. You're doing a great job, Anna. You're a handy girl. Perfect. Now one more time. all of the water. I don't need.
So once we finish doing this, we're gonna test it. So Genesis is gonna help me to test it. Okay, Genesis.
You want me to go turn on the water?
Not yet.
Okay.
I'm gonna. So you tie it really tight, like that. And your water hose should be fixed.
Should I go turn on
So
the water?
let's test it.
Okay.
Now they're going to test it. Test it. Perfect. So let's look at that. There's no water dripping, so we did a great